Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In this video, I will show you how to withdraw money from Vimeo. Actually, you cannot withdraw money from Vimeo directly, but you can use Vimeo OTT. Click on your profile picture and then click on More from the drop-down menu and select Vimeo OTT. This will take you to Vimeo OTT page. Then log into your Vimeo OTT account or you can create one. Now on the dashboard, click on View Statement. Here you can connect a bank account. Just provide the account details so you can collect revenue and get paid. Here, enter your name, your address, tax ID, and all the other details. Then click on Save. Scroll down and then fill in the bank account details. Enter your first name, last name, date of birth, and upload here your verification document. Then enter your BSB number and your account number. And after finishing, click on Complete Payout Setup. Then scroll down. Now click on Submit your tax form. A pop-up will appear. Here, make sure that everything is correct, and you can edit your information by clicking on Edit, and then click Next or click on Cancel. And after finishing all the informations, close this window, and that's it. Now every time someone buys something from you or pays for a subscription, you will receive the money. And that's it. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.